This is a Johnson University online tutorial. This tutorial will give you a general tour of Sakai. It will explain and show how to log in, get around, find your courses, and log out. To begin, it's important to know where to go to access Sakai. There are two primary ways. Neither is more preferred than the other. You can either access Sakai by going directly to the Sakai user login page, or by using the link in the campus portal. To use the login page directly, in a web browser, go to http://sakai.lampschools.org and enter your user ID and password in the blue banner area in the top right. Then click the Login button. To use the link in the campus portal, click the Login link in the top right of the main Johnson University webpage located at www.johnsonu.edu, and on the corresponding page and prompt, enter your username and password. Once logged into the portal, click the Sakai link near the top and enter your user ID and password. Then click the Login button. A note about user IDs and passwords. Logging into Sakai requires you to use your Johnson University email address as the username or user ID, and the same password you use to access your Johnson University email when logging into the campus portal. Student email addresses follow a common format: student first name, followed by a dot, and then their last name, with @johnsonu.edu at the end. If you've logged in at all to see your Johnson University email, you should be able to log in successfully to Sakai. Remember, your Sakai user ID is the entire Johnson University email address. If you don't know your password, you can attempt to reset it by going to www.johnsonu.edu/password and/or enroll in the auto password reset system by choosing and answering a specific security question. Otherwise, contact the IT department using one of the methods you see here. After successfully logging into Sakai, you'll arrive at an area called My Workspace. It's important to familiarize yourself with critical areas and basic navigation. Across the top, in the blue banner, Course Navigation area, you may notice several buttons. Typically, these represent courses. The left-hand side contains the site or course navigation specific to the course presently selected. Course content for that course or site appears in a large area to the right. A specific area to you is called My Workspace. Along with the message of the day, you have quick access to important calendar items, message center notifications, and recent announcements, which come from each of the courses you're currently enrolled in. It's important in online courses to check the message center daily for recent communications activity which may require you to respond or reply. Primary areas of focus in My Workspace include membership, announcements, profile, resources, preferences, and help. The membership area shows a list of all the courses or sites you're a member of, as well as providing an easy search function to search for a particular course or site. Announcements contains a listing of all the announcements from all courses you're a current member of. Profile provides a place to share information with other Johnson University students and faculty, including a place to provide a profile picture that's used in other areas of Sakai. Use resources to store and access documents or files for your courses. Preferences provides a place to visually organize and sequence your courses in Sakai, as well as a place to set your time zone and specify notification options. Worksite setup not only allows you to see information similar to membership, but also allows you to see other course detail, such as the term and creation date. The Help section provides Sakai-specific help documentation and information. Finding your courses in Sakai is easy to do using the top banner or Course Navigation area, and often by using the More Sites link, which shows more sites not shown typically beyond the 4. Click on a course's worksite title to go to that course, or use the additional drop-down menu by clicking on the down arrow to go to a particular area of the course directly. If you expect to see a site and don't see it in the course navigation area, or under the More Sites link, try using Membership in My Workspace. If you're still unable to find a course site, check with the course instructor or registrar. It's also possible the course hasn't been made available yet by the course instructor. While not identical, most course sites use a similar organization or structure, as seen here. Course sites typically include Home, Syllabus, Lessons or Units, sometimes indicated as Weeks, Messages, Gradebook, Assignments, Forums, Library and Support Services, Class Roster, Announcements, Resources, and Tests and Quizzes. Clicking on any of these takes you to that area of the course. Gradebook records and calculates your course grade based on instructor-entered data, though it may also include assessment scores. Check with your instructor or the course syllabus to find out how each course grade is determined. Click Syllabus to access the course syllabus. Some instructors provide a link to the syllabus in a file you can download, typically PDF or Microsoft Word format. Other instructors enumerate the syllabus without any need to download a file. The syllabus indicates the course name, official description, goals, instructor name, and contact information, as well as the course policies, assignments, grading, and general course outline. Typically, to begin a course, follow the directions listed in the course homepage and/or syllabus. When accessing the learning units or weeks, read the course material and pay close attention to directions given for completing assignments, engaging in class discussions, taking assessments, and participating in other course learning activities. Many online courses organize the course content into learning units or weeks, which provides linear access to the courses as it progresses and directed access to unit assignments, discussions, and assessments. Some units appear on multiple pages and may require you to click on a Next or Back button at the top and/or bottom of the unit page. To log out of Sakai, click on the blue Logout button in the top right corner of the page. Online courses are made available to students in Sakai on the first official day of class by the course instructor. For any issues related to logging into or accessing courses, contact the help desk. For help with logging in, or if you're having issues getting into Sakai, you can contact the help desk using any of the methods you see here.